I'm at the LOD factory. This is the crack team here, or part of the crack team. A couple days ago I posted that I was visiting LOD, and if anybody had any interesting words that we could feed into the giant machine, the huge translating machine. They have picked a word out of the vast list that you guys sent to me. What is the word you guys picked?
Dipper-nobus.
Dipper-nobus. Okay. So this word is not in LOD, right?
Nope. No.
And before your very eyes, they will now come up with a definition.
Ooh. Not sure about that.
No pressure. No pressure at all.
There it is.
Yeah.
I found it. So it's Danish, indeed.
It's a gangster vernacular.
It's a what? A gangster?
Gangster vernacular. Well, we found it on the internet. Now
Okay.
we have to see for the etymology.
Now what happens?
Dibberen.
Dipper-nobus.
So nice.
So nice.
We think it's a verb, dibberen, and it means to make a sound. And we're not so sure about the nobus or nobus. So we think it means get lost. Dibber being a verb and nobus something like a directional adverb. Lëtzebuerger.
Just go away.
Just go away.
Just go away.
So shut up and go away.
Yeah.
What about the pronunciation?
Dipper-nobus or Dipper-nobus or Dipper-nobus. We don't know it. Dipper-nobus, 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 Dipper-nobus.
How will you determine which one it is?
We have to do some
Research.
Some more research.
Yes.
Marthy, she does the voices. So say some Luxembourgish words so that LOD users will recognize you. How about Masterpool?
Schreiben.
Masterpool.
Masterpool,
Okay. Masterpool.
Muckefull,
Say that again.
Muckefull, Muckefull, Muckefull.
You do example sentences too, using the word.
Yes, with words we know.
Dipper-nobus.
Dipper-nobus.
I commanded me a room.
Is it go away, don't come back? Is that what you said?
Or shut up and don't come back. And
Dipper-nobus, come meer net me erin. Okay, could you please,
Voice.
your voice, the voice.
Dipper-nobus, kom maar net meer zo ruim. Dipper-nobus, kom maar net meer zo ruim.
Nice. LOD, you enlighten me. LOD, you're the one for me. Oh, LOD, you're the one for me. Hello, freaking D. Adi ciao, bis next care.